The LinkedIn game is all about content strategy. Today I will show you a creative way to make carousel posts for LinkedIn. It is engaging, informative, and people love to interact. Thank you for tuning into the channel. I hope you are having a productive day. The LinkedIn game is all about content strategy. Today I will show you a creative way to make carousel posts for LinkedIn. It is engaging, informative, and people love to interact. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we are talking about LinkedIn posts with the help of Canva. So open your Canva and go to the picture library, select one. Here I have selected one and I have changed the elements along with my liking. Then you can see the color scheme and stuff like that. I have made like 6 slides here, and you can download it, and you have to download it as a PDF standard. Alright, so that's how you download, and you have to upload this PDF file on your LinkedIn profile. Need a break? Go grab a cup of coffee or water, come back and resume again. Restart is the name of the game. Alright, so once you upload on your LinkedIn, the PDF file would look like this beautiful slider. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. And as it is interactive, people would come and click on these buttons to check what is the next slide. And it is ideal for LinkedIn for your engagement and interactivity. Wow! Isn't that simple? I share such productive tips on my channel. So if you have not subscribed, you should subscribe it now. And also, do not forget to ring that bell. It will send you information whenever I upload a new video. Be productive, let AI do the work.